We'll give it. Am I supposed to be you? Are we doing that again?
I guess. Go ahead.
Okay. Where is it? Is this thing on? Okay, guys. Guess where we're at? We're at Magic Kingdom, and today we're gonna go on Tron Lightcycle Run. We've got my beautiful girlfriend Katrina and her friend. Hello. Then we got this guy. We picked him up by the dumpster. He looked a little lonely. So let's have a good time and take some good photos. There you go.
What's good, everybody? Josh here. Welcome back to another vlog, and today we are going to our Tron preview. You saw Liz here, Katrina's here, and our friend Steph is here with us. And yeah, let's go ride this thing, and I'm gonna break down everything with how to fit on the ride, because I myself am a big boy, and yeah, we're gonna review it, and I'm gonna show you the best way that you can fit. Today is actually the day after the Super Bowl, Monday, and you can tell that it is very different when it comes to crowd level versus yesterday. It is way more busy, but it makes sense. People love to come to Disney after the Super Bowl. And here we are, check-in is right here next to Space Mountain, so we're just gonna go scan in, and yeah, we'll head on in. This is what the walkway will look like when you come in here as a regular guest and not for preview. It's just you won't have this rope separating the two. This is a fun photo op that you can do for the cast preview, and it's completely free for cast members to get this photo, so that's pretty cool. Sheesh. Liz is gonna be our model, so I can show you guys how the tester works and how you can fit on the ride. Okay. So this is how it's gonna work. Liz is gonna sit down.
Right now?
So yeah, there you go. It's kind of like you're gonna get on your knees a little bit.
Just kind
right?
of fall.
So fall forward on your knees, and then grab here.
Oh my God.
Pull it back. Okay, guys, so you see this metal bar right here? That's what's gonna determine if you can go on it or not. So like Liz is already like all the way popped out. If it's popped out like that, that means you're good to go. Liz, pull the chair back forward. You guys see how it goes back in? Okay, pull it forward to you again.
It's the piece of
As long as it hugs you here and it comes all the way out, you're good to go. So it has nothing to do with your upper body whatsoever.
My thunder thought.
And we are Team Blue, as always, because blue are the good guys. And check out the theming in here. So pretty.
Attention users,
like you
are about to be digitized. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Oh my God.
I love how you get to see the launch before you head down. This is an amazing sight, man. Oh, here comes the train right now. That launch is insane. Right after the pre-show, just ready to go get your lockers. You're just ready to go in. But I'm going to show you guys how the lockers work, and it's super convenient. Honestly, better than Velocicoaster or Universal, if you ask me. So this is how it works. They go all the way up to 700, so it's like 700 something lockers here. And what's nice about these versus Velocicoaster is all you got to do is scan your Magic Band or ticket, and it opens up. So it's a lot easier than Velocicoaster where you have to scan your ticket at a console. Alright, switch you guys over to the GoPro at this point so you get some POV footage here.
How many here?
4.
4 on the right side as well. Make sure you on to the half.
Thank you. Yep, and this is where we go down to board the Lightcycle. And here we go!
sidebar. Oh, my thighs are like... my thighs are like... It's blocked out, like they're like this.
Yeah, you're a little tight in yours, but you fit.
Yeah.
I told you outside that you fit, so.
Yeah.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle run upload sequence.
This is so weird.
Hold on. Keep your head up.
Lay your stomach down.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Caesars. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
That is such a new feeling because you don't really get used to it.
All right, once we get off the ride, we're just gonna go get our stuff back at the locker. And here we are, back at the locker. And there's our lovely stuff. And hello again. So, really fun ride. I hope you guys did like the POV footage. I have no idea how it looks right now. I'm gonna to see it when I get home, but hopefully it turned out really well. Something nice about this preview is we get to ride it more than once, as long as we are within our hour slot. So, yeah.
Get it.
I really like this gallery too. You can see some cool pictures. I guess these are champions right here. And that's our team, Team Blue. All right, back to the locker. Gonna scan. All right, back to the GoPro. Good?
Yeah. Sorry.
263, so I don't forget this time. If you guys actually look at the screen over here, I'm gonna try to raise the GoPro. You can actually see the team that we're going against. Let's see if it pops up here. We might not be able to catch it. There's the team we're going against. They look badass, man, I won't lie. So cool. Oh yeah, it gives a bio of each of them. So that's really cool too. 241 wins, 29 loses. Or losses. Words. If you guys look over here, this is a whole separate line that's barred off if you want to go on the front row. So that's a lot of room if you want to try to get the front row. It just means you'll have to wait a little longer. This time I'm riding with the most beautiful person in the land.
Row number 2.
Here we go, ride number 2. Actually, it's
Alright guys, knees into those openings, pull those handlebars. Did you see that bit?
what?
It lights up when you're good to go.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Huh. What color does it light up? Just that color?
Yeah, it was like, it was not before. So yeah.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle run upload sequence.
of it.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1.
So I'm just gonna chill at this point. Katrina, Steph, and Liz went on another ride for it. And there's a reason why. My body is aching from this ride. So let's actually talk about that for a minute. You know, I found this ride to be really short. You know, it was a little disappointing because I really love the theming for this ride a lot. But then I started to understand after the second time I rode it why it's short. And that's because it could really be, it could take a huge toll on your body and give you aches and stuff like that. So I understand why it's so short now. I think the ride is like 40 to 60 seconds or something like that. It's like one of the shortest rides I've ever been on. But I think it's there for a reason and it makes sense for sure. However, I didn't have a chance to mention this at the beginning, and really it's because I haven't seen it. But there is a modified seat for this ride. It looks just like a regular roller coaster seat where it has the pull bar that goes down on your lap and stuff like that. So they do offer that for this ride. However, you might have to wait a little longer than everybody else because I believe there's only 1 or 2 vehicles that have that modified seat. It kind of sucks that they didn't put on all of them, but you know, it is what it is. At least everybody can ride it. Definitely don't be ashamed from getting in line. You can still ride it. Unfortunately, you just have to do that modified seat if you don't fit. So I highly recommend, if you can, go on the tester and see if you do fit so you don't feel like embarrassed or anything like that. I've been kicked off a ride before for being too big, so you know, it does suck, but don't have any shame in it. Nobody's looking at you weird or anything like that. Members over there working on either cleaning or repainting Space Mountain, one of the two, but it looks a lot better, man, because this ride was filthy. So it's good to see that they're cleaning it and going back to working on their maintenance, which I've been getting on really heavy about because I don't know why they cut funding on that, but it looks like they're fixing that finally. Something else worth mentioning is they did add a bathroom over here and a refill station for your water bottles. So that's a nice touch. You know, we could always use more bathrooms and stuff like that. So that's awesome. By the way, here's Tron over here. This actually takes us to Storybook Circus. So that's a nice little walkway here instead of taking the long way around.
Let's demonstrate.
Oh yeah, this is very easy to get to Storybook Circus compared to the other way. Here's Tron up here. I was going right underneath it and we'll be right at Storybook Circus pretty easily. This is awesome. Just like that, we are here. Except it's barricaded off right now because it's for cast preview.
That was the Lily Bell.
It is a Lily Bell? Alrighty, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you when you go and take a ride on Tron Lightcycle. And as always, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, ring that bell so you know when we're posting again, and leave a like because you know it will leave a smile on her face. I'll see you guys in the next one. See y'all.